Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway flip around. Now it's going to really help if you already know how to do a sway and how to do a sway flip flop. Videos for both of those are already up, so I'm going to assume you know that much. So the whole thing looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So initially it looks like a standard sway flip-flop. So if we walk through to where things will change, it goes back, we wrap into the sway, we sway the lady back, bring the lady forwards, remember bringing her just a little bit further forwards than us, flip her over to the left and stop, flop back into the right. You could do the flip around off the first one, but normally people do it after a normal flip flop. We go back again, going out for the second flip, we go forwards, we go flip, and this is where it changes. Instead of flopping back in, the guy's moving forwards and switching hands into the left. So we can bring the lady forwards, but she's now coming across behind us, and as we walk the lady across behind us, we transfer into the right hand, and that right hand loops around anti-clockwise to wrap the lady back into the sway position and stop. Then it's just sway the lady back and finish the sway off. Send the lady out. I'm going to do a change of hands today, travelling return, and we're done. So let's put that together one more time, this time with some numbers. So we go back on 1, wrap 2, sway back 3, sway forwards 4, flip 5, flop 6, sway 7, prep 8, send the lady out 1, and that's when you're looking to switch hands and get across. Bring the lady across behind 2, changing back into the right hand, re-wrap 3, and then it's just back 4, send the lady out 5, switch hands on 6, travelling return 7, and back on 8. So let's try it to a count. Here we go, right to right. 5, a 6, a sway, flip around, we go a back, wrap, sway, sway, flip, flop, back, forward, switch hands across the back, re-wrap, back, forwards, away and face, return, and we're done. That's it. I hope you've been enjoying World of Floorcraft. Subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and of course we'll pop a music recommendation on the end for something to practice too. Happy dancing. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.